In this video, I'll show you how to automatically drag a formula from left to right using VBA. So I have a data set over here consisting of number of months, the revenue, cost of goods sold, operating expenses and profits, and a few other fields that I would like to populate. As you can see, my data set is rather large. That means it consists of a lot of columns. I have exactly 300 columns of data, and I don't want to be dragging this data manually from left to right. And for the sake of this example, I don't want to use any keyboard shortcuts either. Instead, I want to use VBA. So I have a formula here that calculates the cost of goods sold, and I want to drag this from left to right for as many columns as I want. I want to do the same thing for operating expenses, profits, and also these additional fields down here. So how to do that? To do so, you first need to make sure that your workbook is saved as a macro-enabled workbook, XLSM. After you save it as XLSM, all you have to do is right-click on the tab, then go to View Code. And this is the code that you have to copy and paste in that section. So mine is already pasted. This code is available in the description box of this video. All you have to do is copy and paste it in this section over here. And if you want to know how this code works, I provided a breakdown and some details as to what the various sections of this code do. Essentially, what this code does is it prompts us for a number that we have to input. After we input that number, the formula will be dragged right that many times. All you have to do is copy and paste this code, save, and X out. So now let's test it out. So for example, I want to drag this formula for cost of goods sold all the way to the right. All I have to do is go to macros on the ribbon, so developer macros, and I have to run this VBA code. And this is the message I was talking to you about. It asks us how many cells to the right do you want to fill the formula. So let's just, for the sake of this example, let's put 3. Let's see what happens. There we go. It dragged it to the right 3 columns. And this is a test that it works correctly. I'll clear this. Let's run it again. And this time, let's drag it to the right equal to the number of columns we have. So we have a total of 300 columns. So I'll put 299 here. Okay, there we go. So it's dragged it all the way to the right and it covered all 300 months. So let's do the same for operating expenses and profits. Again, exact same thing. Okay, done. And the last one. There we go. It's all automatically populated and we didn't need to go and manually drag it to the right. Now let's populate some additional fields as well. And this would work on literally any cell in this worksheet. For quarterly revenue, the formula is simple. So we just add the previous 3 months. And same with quarterly cost of goods sold, quarterly operating expenses, and quarterly profits. So I'll just drag this down. Now let's apply the VBA code to drag to right for all 4 of these. So we'll do this one by one. And there we have it. As you can see, we were able to easily drag these formulas to the right as far as we wanted in just a few seconds using this basic and simple VBA code. And that's how it's done. I hope you found this video useful and got some value out of it. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe and also turn on notifications so you won't miss out on future videos. See you soon.